These are the elevators. Here at the Emerald Princess cruise ship. These are the AFT elevators. I like these buttons. I'm filming this late at night because these are actually not busy in the middle of the night, so yeah. I'll do what I gotta do. And this place is still running. People are still running around like maniacs here, even late at night. Let's go up to 19. The door closes when I push the button. I like these doors. Of course we're stopping. No one's out there. These are probably the busiest elevators I've ever been on. That's why I can never film them in the day. I don't have a chance. Whoa, this thing is rocking like crazy. It's the ship, it's not the elevator. Let's get a cab view. Preferably without me in the frame. I'm gonna go up to 7 because that's where my next video is. These buttons don't like me today. Alright, that's it.